All right, in number 9, when labor is hired in a competitive market, the value of the marginal product of labor is computed by. Okay, so essentially we're looking at marginal product, right, of labor and its value. So you want to multiply, the answer is multiplying the price of the output by the marginal product of labor. The issue with like the last one, multiplying the price of the output by the total product of labor, is that then you are getting the total value and not the marginal value. All right. The other two, like B and C, both deal with the wage paid to labor. And the issue with that is that this isn't about the wage. You might calculate the wage based on what the item is selling for, and the value that that employee creates, but it's not value of the marginal product of labor is not calculated based on wage. Thus, this takes out B, it takes out C, and we don't want to divide the marginal product of labor by the price. We are multiplying the price of the output by the marginal product of labor.